If your organization still uses a VPN, you're likely dealing with unhappy users, limited scalability, and significant vulnerabilities that can impact your operations. Instead, let's reimagine your organization's data and applications so they're secure and accessible only to those with the proper credentials. Your users are happier and more productive, and your teams enjoy simplified administration and surprising flexibility. Zero Trust Network Access, or ZTNA, makes it all possible. And here's why organizations of all sizes are switching away from VPNs. VPNs have three significant issues. First, from a security standpoint, VPNs place users on the network to grant access to data and applications, giving broad access to those users, but also to threat actors in the event of a breach. And they expand your attack surface by exposing network IP addresses to the public. Second, from a user experience point of view, VPNs backhaul traffic through the data center, creating network congestion that results in slow connection speeds, making users unhappy. Add clunky authentication to the mix, and you're left with a horrible user experience. And finally, from an administrative standpoint, VPNs require expensive physical appliance stacks in your data centers that require time and talent to manually configure and manage. And they offer limited flexibility to adapt to your changing needs and increasingly mobile workforce. But cloud-native ZTNA solves these issues. Where VPNs grant broad, unrestricted access to a network and all of the resources on that network, ZTNA limits access only to the applications and resources users need. ZTNA segments resources, hiding apps from public visibility, helping to shrink your attack surface and effectively make your organization a smaller target. Since ZTNA uses the principles of zero trust, you'll use adaptive access controls based on identity and context-aware policies to grant access on a least privilege basis. With ZTNA, your users can forget about dealing with slow speeds, network congestion, and frustrating authentication workflows. That's because there's no need to backhaul traffic through a data center. Instead, ZTNA optimizes connectivity to any application, delivering fast access to users no matter where they are or what device they use. ZTNA empowers your remote workforce to be productive from anywhere, supporting more engaging experiences and creating happier users. And finally, with a cloud-native ZTNA solution, you don't have to buy and manage appliances that make it challenging to scale and limit your agility. Deployment is fast and straightforward. You can adjust on the fly and eliminate infrastructure costs associated with maintaining your VPN appliances. At BlackBerry, our solution, Cylance Edge, makes it easy to modernize your cybersecurity strategy and switch to ZTNA. In doing so, your users will enjoy secure connectivity to any application, on any device, and from any location. Contact a BlackBerry expert today to learn more about Cylance Edge and to sign up for a free trial.